ramai-ramai kita serbu. 1, 2, 3 ganti kita takkan jemu. 1, 2, 3 negeri Terengganu memang padu.
My name is Nur Fatinada binti Muhammad. My metric number H19 is 0529. Today I want to share about video vlog Roti Canai Sarang Burung. Restaurant Zaki is a restaurant that serves Roti Canai Sarang Burung. The most special that has been prepared to order and eat it at its restaurant. Roti Canai is a type of bread that has a flat, round space that can be found in some Southeast Asia. It is eaten at breakfast, lunch and dinner. Restaurant Zaki established in 2010 in Marang, Terengganu. Okay, now I am on my way to Restaurant Zaki. Take a 10-minute drive from home. Now I have reached the Restaurant Zaki. Wow, many customers come to buy food. Various side dishes available for sale to customers, such as nasi kalbu, nasi minyak, nasi lemak and kuih muih for sale to customer. Wow! Look at the Roti Canai Sarang Burung. I saw how the Roti Canai Sarang Burung process. Add wheat flour, margarine, milk, 1 cup water and mix well. Sampai ke out.
Oh. Tak orang tak tahu mana. Yang betul-betul.
Wow, so great! I want to try what is this process of Roti Canai Sarang Burung. First point, use before.
Dua tapak tangan. Supaya rata tapak tangan. Lepas tu ambil roti dan bulatkan. Lepas tu letak di dalam kantong. Let's see how to make Roti Canai Sarang Burung.
Wow, look the Roti Canai Sarang Burung. Salam.
Telah sarang burung. Telah masak.
Yes, paruh ke di sini? Biasanya berapa teh tak? Biasanya sutih ke 2 teh?
Dia boleh rasa. Boleh tak 2, 3, macam 4.
Dah selain pada Roti Canai, roti ni apa yang ada?
Daging, kosong, telur, roti gulung.
Oh, masak panas dia kat sini ya? Wow, so great. Now, look at the Roti Canai Sarang Burung. Mama nak tanya boleh tak? Abang selalu ke makan ke sini? Menu ni ke yang paling special dekat sini?
Setakat ni menu ni yang paling special bagi saya kan.
Boleh abang bagi feedback?
Feedback dia dalam, kalau rating 10, saya boleh bagi 9/10.
Lepas tu
untuk roti dia, kalau kuah dia pula not bad. Orang kata boleh tahan. Mana kata kalau orang kan sedap.
sedap.
Tak mampu.
Lepas tu berapa satu biji roti ni?
Harga dia berbaloi.
Boleh tak abang tunjuk roti tu?
Tunjuk gini kan? Ni telur dia. gedik-gedik lagi. Orang panggil telur gedik tau.
Okay, now I get one roti canai sarang burung. I want to try the texture of roti canai sarang burung. And the texture of this bread is very soft, fluffy, and delicious. It has a batter that use a lot of cheese. Roti canai produced with flour mixture. The texture of roti canai is very soft. I can give a 5 star for this roti canai sarang burung. Very delicious. Curry sauce. Meat. Its curry sauce has meat. Very tasty, made delicious. I want to try. Curry sauce. Curry sauce so yummy, so good. Curry sauce with meat. Eggs. So delicious. What I understand is that the price of this roti canai sarang burung is Rm2 for one seat, and this roti canai there are different price variation. For one each is Rm1 and for two each is Rm2. I have good discount price by the seller. Buying at Rm1, the price of roti canai is indeed very cheap and lucrative. What make a customer should try this food is very soft roti canai sarang burung, and this is the most special food in this village. Customers who are outside this village can try to eat this roti canai sarang burung. Alright, now look, here are some pictures of roti canai sarang burung at the restaurant Zaki. Say goodbye. Thank you for watching my vlog review food roti canai sarang burung.